So today on the menu will be red beans and rice. This is the start of it. It's the Trinity with the peppers and celery and onion. And then I have some garlic and some smoked turkey butts and just a couple of other seasonings that I put in here to get it started, and some chicken broth. Yep, so I'll keep you updated. Now look at my beans. Mmm, looking good. Look at them. Looking good, beans. Red beans and rice. They're thickening up now. Smoked turkey, garlic, onion, pepper, bell peppers, celery. Got all good seasonings. Yes, ma'am. So good. See? You can see all the goodness. And got my rice making. I got my cornbread in the oven. Saturday dinner for my family.